Hi guys, welcome back to Beyond Infinity Tarot channel. I hope you are doing well. So please stay safe and healthy. And so today's topic is a very special topic because I feel called to do this reading. Okay, so universe has a very special message for you. So messages are going to be in three groups as usual. So part one is going to be a big happy changes. Part two is going to be a take action, and part three is no. Okay, so before I begin with this reading, when I shuffle this third card, okay, third card, so I thought like why I feel like it wasn't the card, but I was feeling okay, it is the card that needs to be for part three. So I shuffled again by closing my eyes, and this is the card wants to come out again. So yes, so that's what I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so select your option you feel most drawn to, and let's start with your reading. Hi Pawan, welcome to your reading. So usual big happy changes. This is going to be a reading. If you hear my voice is kind of a different or weird, if you feel like I wasn't feeling well, so please bear with me. Okay, so first message universe wants you to know. Okay, this is like opening message for you, Pawan. Cheer up. That's what your spirit guides and also universe wants to tell you this. Okay, cheer up because you're about to step into very big happy changes, okay, coming your way. This is the message universe wants you to know. Maybe things are not going well in your life, or maybe you are suffering. Maybe there is something that is not aligning with happiness, okay, for you right now. Universe is saying that it's about to change, so be ready because it's so feel it, okay, feel it. You are feeling it already in your energy that something good, something big is going to happen. So it is going to happen, so stay positive about this. Okay, so cheer up. The universe wants you to know that one. Okay, yeah, I told you. You have the world card, you have the king of sword. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh, excuse me. This guy wants to come out too. So yeah. Okay. So right away when I drop this world card and the king of sword, you are definitely ending some sort of a big chapter of your life. Okay. Maybe you have ended a connection with someone who has air placements, or you are an air placement. Not Aries. Okay, why? Yeah. So maybe someone is Aries here, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, someone maybe a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. Sagittarius, I'm picking up on, and also we have Pisces and Scorpio. Oh, and Capricorn. Okay, so what I'm seeing here for pile one, okay, universe wants you to know that you have ended a connection with someone, and sometimes you think about, is it the right thing that you have done, or you feel like you should go back and make things right with that person, but that connection ended for a reason. Okay, some situation ended in your life. It doesn't have to be a connection. It doesn't have to be only a romantic connection, but it could be. Okay, so take what resonates with you. That ended. Okay, that situation ended, and you guys were not the match in this with the Queen of Pentacles, and you were kind of feeling it, but you was not sure until the Tower moment hit you with the Ten of Wands here. Okay, so you were kind of like end of the cycle here. That's what I'm getting. So that's why things are going so heavy for you right now. That's what universe wants you to know. Or maybe you have passed the situation, and now things are, you are at the phase of, like I said, world card, everything, like this chapter ended and now you are at the beginning. Okay, you are at the new beginning stage, so you have to build up everything all at once. Maybe you are also going through some very like a heavy load of responsibilities, or you may be a lot busy in your work as well. Okay, so with the devil and the three of pentacles and the queen of sword here and two of sword, six of cups, three of cups, temperance. So two types of messages I'm getting. Universe wants you to know that there is someone new coming in your life. Okay, it could be a Capricorn, or you are a Capricorn, or this person may have a very strong earth placements. Okay, it doesn't have to be only a romantic connection. It could be a friendship that you are going to build with the two of pentacles. Okay, you could meet this person through work, and this person, you are not going to be sure about this, because with the queen of sword energy you are going to be very guarded, because what happened in the past. Okay, and you wouldn't understand if you should give this person a chance, or maybe you still have that past person in your mind and you are thinking, is it the right thing to do to move forward? Okay, with the six of cups energy. And okay, what I'm feeling here as well, that this past person may try to come back in. Okay, and you would be in this two of sword energy. Okay, they maybe come back in saying that they want to be friends with you or something. They want to start again just as a friend or something. Okay, maybe it was a friend that you broke a connection with the temperance here and the two of pentacles. So decision is going to be on your part. Okay, you have to decide whether you want to entertain this person or not. But what I'm seeing, the very clear message from the universe is you are a very stable person, by the way. Queen of Pentacles. With the Queen of Pentacles is representing you. You are very loyal, you are very generous, you are very loving, very caring person, Palwan. So you deserve someone who is able to treat you that way. Okay, whether it's a romantic connection or a general connections or friendships. Okay, so you have to be patient with this patient with yourself. And I think it's a no from universe if someone from the past tried to come back in, because it's all done and gone. But it's up to you what you are going to do. But universe wants you to know that you are going to be you are already taking to a very different place than where you belong. Okay, you are going to meet some people who are going to treat you like a temperance here. Okay, they are going to treat you like the way you should be treated. Okay, what universe, it's a yeah. Page of Pentacles and Judgment card. Yes, here. Judgment, clarify the judgment. These are ones. Okay. The universe wants you to know you are very capable of different things. Okay, whether it's about your career, whether it's about the relationships, or whether it's about to have a partners. Okay, you have a lot of choices and options. Okay, Palwan. So set your mind what you want in a person, what you want to do in with your life, what you want to do in your career. Okay, you have to set some goals for yourself, and you have the capability to achieve them. You have the capacity to attract them. Okay, with the just judgment card here, it also talk about this person, whatever the past situation or the person or the connection was, that they would try to come back in, just in the cover of the ace of wands. Okay, before you manifest something new in your life. So you have to, if you choose that to going back to that place, it might end up in this ten of sword energy. So don't self-sabotage, and try to look things in a different perspective. Okay, if your people, okay, what I'm saying here. Okay, it's up to you. With the and the universe wants you to know that new person is coming in. Okay, very strong attraction from this person. This person may be a fire sign, or this person may be also and Gemini. Okay, this person is going to be good with their words. Okay, this person voice is going to be very powerful, and this person may have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. That's what I'm seeing with the hangman. This person was thinking about approaching you, but they are going to take their time, okay, before they make a move. This person is going to be also very wise with their words. Okay, wise in general, but also wise with their words. Okay, they know what they are talking about with the lovers card and the knight of sword. Okay, so once this person they made a decision, they are going to come towards you with a solid offer, and with the big change is coming in your way. Okay, whether it's going to be you that making this decision, about this new person, or this person, whoever this new person is making decision about you. Okay, that's what I'm getting. And universe saying that you have the, okay, if you have something very different, okay, if you want to do something different, whether it's like that is going to be bring out a very newness in your life, okay, a new beginning in your life, do it. Okay, it's going to be something worth it. You may be thinking about doing it, or maybe deciding whether you should go ahead or not. This is your sign. Okay, take action. With the Page of Pentacles, maybe there is some sort of a dream or plan that you have in mind, but you are not sure if you want to pursue. Okay, whether it's a person or whether it's a plan in your mind, go for it. That's what the universe wants you to know. Okay, that's what I have for you, part one. I hope messages resonated. And I don't know, I mean, I just shuffle the deck, shuffle the cards for you. So this is the messages wants to come out from the universe. So I don't know what you have expected here, but this is what I get. Okay, so take what resonates with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. 11 peace. So hi Paltu, so you chose take action. This is going to be your reading. um, Okay, if you hear my voice is kind of a very different, so I was not feeling well, so bear with me. Okay, so the first message I get from this card is take action. Okay, so your message is take action with caution. Okay, universe wants you to know if you are only prioritizing your worth over like everything else, then you have to find a balance in that situation, because it's not the good idea that you are only prioritizing your work and not giving attention to other areas of your life. Okay, because you are very focused and concentrated on some sort of a goal that you have, but you have to make sure that other areas of your life also get proper attention from here. Okay, if you feel like you should take some rest, then go for it, do it. Okay, because whatever goals that you have, okay, path you, and you are going to get it. Okay, you are going to achieve it, whatever that intention that you have in your mind. Okay, the success is there because you are taking action, and you have taken actions or taken all the proper proper precautions for that. So okay, so it's going to work out for you. That's what universe wants you to know. Let's see. Oh, actually, I'm in trouble. I have trouble speaking. Okay, it's really hurting my throat. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, sorry guys. Let's see. Okay, entrance card. Yes. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Okay. Special message. Mhm. Wow. A lot of things are happening in your life too. That's why universe is saying that take it slow. Okay. You are taking action, but just be gentle with yourself. Wow. Just 1 minute. Okay, you have the Four of Sword. Yes, you have the Four of Sword at the back of the deck. So rest and rejuvenate. If you have to, then you should. Okay, how to? This is a message. First message, of course. With the Empress and Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Wands, and the Star, and the Five of Cups. Five of Pentacles, Three of Wands, Emperor, and Eight of Cups. Hmm. Hmm. Universe is saying you have to idolize yourself. Okay, prioritize yourself. Okay, self-love kind of vibe I'm getting from this Empress camp and Empress and Ace of Cups. You are going to find the reasons to fall in love with yourself all over again, Patu. Okay, yes, that's what I'm hearing from universe. With the Nine of Wands here, and the Strength, and the Five of Cups. No. Okay, so if you are asking yourself, Patu, that is it okay to rest, is okay to find happiness in life? Is it okay to feel loved? It is. Okay, Patsu, you are loved. Okay, all your efforts, all your hard work is going to get paid off. Okay, so if you are not seeing the desired results in your current reality, it doesn't mean that you should not give yourself enough credit and love and support that you need, because it's going to, you are going to get it no matter what. Okay, no matter how the circumstances looks like here with the Five of Cups and Five of Pentacles here. Okay, so don't, it's I'm just getting someone here, okay, feels like because they are not succeeding in their life, or because they are not where they imagine themselves to be. Okay, or um, someone feels like if okay, they haven't achieved their goals or something, okay, for example, so they are not worthy of that love or that care or that self pampering. Okay, that's what I'm getting. It's not true. Okay, Basu, even if you want to loved by someone else here, if you want to be in a relationship, you kind of ask the questions if you are worthy of getting loved. Okay, for sometimes maybe there is like a deep part of you that kind of feels this way, because you don't feel, you're not satisfied with your reality. Okay, that's what I'm getting. But universe wants you to know that don't feel this way. Okay, you have so much abundance within you, you have so much love overflowing within you. Try to feel it. With the star card, universe is saying that you are just overshadowing your star energy with this Five of Cups. You are only looking at the empty cups here, not the full ones that are back, that are on the back. Okay, and with the star card here, you have to be very, like, you have to understand that you are the star. Okay, you are also the star in front of, in eyes of the universe. And with the Five of Pentacles and Three of Wands and Emperor and the Eight of Cups, I feel like you have moved on emotionally from someone here, and they are actually missing you right now. Okay, as you are progressing in your life with the Three of Wands here, you are moving forward. Someone is kind of missing you. Okay, missing your energy, missing your in essence, because they feel like they have lost something precious. Okay, but they feel like it's too late for them now. That's kind of energy from someone, that's what I'm seeing. And universe wants you to know that your past doesn't define you and never will. Okay, so don't just, if you have some regrets, if you have some disappointments or heartbreaks in life, it does not going to define what future is going to hold for you. Okay, you are deserving of so much love, happiness and abundance in life. Okay, Patsu, that's what universe wants you to know. Whatever things that you are waiting for, okay, whether it's like you are planning something, you want to try to take action, I told you you are taking action. So whether it's a career, whether it's a relationship, you are going to get that more fulfilling one. Okay, with the Emperor and the Eight of Cups energy here, and the Eight of Pentacles and Eight of Wands, your hard work is about to pay off. You are going to experience lot of abundance in all areas of your life, and also you are attracting lot of abundance and financial gain. Okay, with the Eight of Wands. And also, I don't know, I feel like you are soon to going to be in going to be in a relationship. Okay, for some, that's what I'm feeling with the Eight of Wands here. You are manifesting something, it's going to come to you. 888, you have three eights here. Okay, so 1 8 is actually you kind of let go of things that doesn't serve you anymore, so you may feel kind of empty, you may kind of question yourself, because you might be into this Eight of Pentacles energy, that you are working hard and you are just not seeing the results yet, because eight also signifies so slow results, but you are about to receive them. Okay, so universe wants you to know that start feeling gratitude, start giving yourself a gratitude and credit that you deserve. Okay, start show yourself love. and thank yourself for not giving up. That's what universe wants you to know here, because you are about to manifest a lot of desires that you have in your heart and your mind. Also, I just feels like it's a heart's desires. If no one believed you, Balto, universe believes you. Universe believes in all the dreams that you have. Universe believes in your kind soul. Universe believes in the like emotional person that you are. Okay, universe believes in your creativity. So does you have to believe in yourself as well. Okay, that's what universe wants you to know, because they believe you. You should believe in yourself as well. Okay, because you are going to attract the abundance. You are going to attract all the like material happiness, okay, that we seek. Like, you know, we are human beings, of course, on the earth plane. Whatever that you desire to be happy, you are going to attract all that. But before that happiness, it's not like it's not going to happen until you are going to do it. But universe wants you to know that give yourself some credit, okay, because you are deserving of it. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Batu. I hope messages resonated, and I just shuffle the cards. I don't know what kind of messages are going to come to you, because this topic is new to me as well. So I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye. 11 peace. Hi, Batu. So you just know this is going to be a reading. If you hear my voice is kind of a weird, I am so sorry for that. Bear with me, because I have some issue in my throat, okay, so I can speak properly. So yeah, this is like, I want to see like what kind of reading this topic, this card, this pile is going to get, because this card is just, I shuffled twice and this is the card that's want to come out. Okay, so first very important message I have for you, pile 3 from universe, that universe, like I heard like divine intervention. Okay, so divine is sending, universe sending a magical help to you. Okay, and with this now I feel like you are being stopped for a while, or there has been delays. Okay, you are facing some delays, or you are feeling some distraction, not restrictions. Okay, that's what I hear, because there is something that you are not seeing, that was not meant for you, that's not meant to you. Like universe is literally, oh yes, they are redirecting your direction in life. Okay, because I feel like there is something, okay, that there is something in your life that you need protection from, and universe is protecting you from that. Okay, so that's why you are facing a delays. So don't get discouraged by the delays, or don't get discouraged by restrictions that you are feeling right now, because it's some sort of a protection from the universe. Okay, maybe there is a lot of going on around you and you're not seeing what's actually happening, because it's something that is something that is not good for you. Okay, so that's why universe is really protecting you at this time. Okay, by making some things delay, or making some things not working out, or restrictions. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. Okay, what special message universe has for pathway? Okay, yes, wow. I heard like a special child. Okay, you are very loved by universe. Okay, in pathway. Okay, that's what I hear. Okay, literally. Yes. Your energy is very attractive, pathway, so you kind of attract some sort of a jealousy and negativity towards you. Okay, I feel like there is a feminine energy, or someone feminine. Okay, was kind of jealous of you, or maybe there are some people who may be jealous of you with the 10 of swords, and they're kind of like celebrating. some losses and sufferings that you have been through, because it was kind of a joyful for these people, whoever these individuals are here. Okay, so universe wants you to know with the Four of Swords and the Seven of Cups and the Judgment here. So there is some sort of illusions that you have in your front of you, and maybe you thought that, maybe you thought that kind of a it can be related to, okay, it can be related to the emotions, maybe particular relationships or contract, okay, that was brought to you by someone who is close to you, or someone who you kind of trust, or someone you have certain emotional attachments to, and it was not meant for you. Okay, so with the Judgment card and the Nine of Wands, and it feels like it didn't work out for you. Okay, with the Judgment and the Nine of Wands, it was very hard for you to kind of let it go. But with the Ace of Pentacles, and here we have the Queen of Wands energy and the Sun card, because universe don't want you to go to that way. Okay, with the Seven of Cups, because it was not meant for you. Okay, something was not meant for you, is kind of like removed from your life before you kind of entertain it, before you kind of take into account, or before you kind of really act on it. Okay, that's what I hear. Okay, and with the Nine of Wands, I feel like you, because you shouldn't pay much attention to what is given to you. Okay, you were kind of distracted into something to deal with something. Okay, so you maybe you are recovering from a, like a health issue, or recovering something stressful, or maybe stress at work or something. Okay, so that you would not get involved in this kind of energy, or this contract or something that is, or this kind of emotional attachment. Okay, that's what I'm hearing. So you can actually go where you should be going. Okay, with the Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Sun card and Knight of Pentacles. So universe is redirecting your life to actually improvement in all areas of your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So now new opportunities are going to knock in your door. If you are feeling that there is nothing new is happening in your life, then it's going to demand a very confident version of you. Okay, so you have to be confident in whatever what you do, and in yourself as well. With the Sun card and Knight of Pentacles, it's going to be like you have to put in work, but it's worth it. Okay, and I feel like I also see someone is recovering, like you are emotionally, mentally, physically, emotionally recovering, okay, to perfect health. And with the Knight of Pentacles energy, it's going to be very like fulfilling financially as well. With the Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles here, and Three of Cups, nine, Ten of Swords. Ooh, and Page of Cups, Nine of Cups, King of Cups. Okay, different messages I'm getting. So I feel like someone is getting karma. Okay, with the Justice card here, because they brought you. Okay, you are going to know about. You are going to get to hear about these people. Okay, or maybe someone tried to snatch what yours. That's what universe wants you to know. They want to be at your place. They want to take your place, and they want you to experience it, this Eight of Sword energy here and Ten of Sword. But they are going to get their karma. Okay, they are going to receive what they deserve. Okay, that's what I'm getting. That's what universe wants you to know. So whatever is yours is protected. Okay, Patri. If you feel like you have lost all the opportunities and good things, and there is no way that you can get any better in life, then you are wrong, because your opportunities, everything that you deserve, everything that is meant for you is protected. Is going to be yours. And I also hear like you are going to experience some change in your friendships and friend circles and family circle. Okay, that's what I'm getting with the Page of Cups. You maybe are going to meet some new people. Okay, you are going to hear some kind of uh, um, lovely messages or like heartful emotional messages. Okay, that's what I'm getting. Some sort of wish is going to come true with the Nine of Cups here and the King of Cups. Okay, and I feel like someone is attracting this King of Cups here. Like you are attracting this King of Cups energy. You are attracting someone if you someone very emotionally mature. Okay, someone who is going to understand you. Whether it's a male or female. Okay, I'm just getting like they have this King of Cups energy. But I feel like universe wants you to know that accept some new changes that is going to come to you because it's for your highest good. Okay, maybe you don't even realize that who was kind of backstabbing you here with the Ten of Sword energy, because you wouldn't believe it even if you see them. If you ever notice that there are some people or certain connections or certain things just gone from your life, then realize that, understand that it was not meant for you. It's not going to be part of your journey from now on. Okay, that's what universe wants you to know. Good things are happening for you, pal. So I hope messages resonated, and I'll see you next time. Bye, 11 please.